Hey everyone, with its most recent Galaxy Unpacked event, Samsung made a big impression by revealing a ton of new items, such as the much-awaited Galaxy Watch 7 series, the third generation of Galaxy Foldables, and the Galaxy Buds 3 series. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, a wristwatch that aims to upend the wearable tech industry, is the star of the show. The sturdy titanium Grade 4 body of the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra houses an eye-catching square appearance. This robust material can survive temperatures as high as -2055 degrees centigrade and water pressure of up to 10 atm. It is developed to handle harsh environments. Because it satisfies the demanding MIL STD810H criteria, resilience in a range of conditions is guaranteed. Its adaptability for water sports is increased with an optional easy-to-drain water sports strap. The strong 86 decibel siren, which can be triggered by long pressing the shortcut button for 5 seconds, is an exceptional safety feature. This siren adds an extra degree of security during emergencies with a 180-meter range. The 47mm dial and 1.5-inch 480 by 480 Super AMOLED always-on display are the highlights of the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. Titanium rock gray, titanium platinum silver, and titanium porcelain white are its three elegant color options. The latest 3nm Exynos W1000 pentacore processor, along with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, powers this cutting-edge wristwatch. The dual-core Exynos W930 CPU used in the Galaxy Watch 6 has been significantly superseded by this chipset, which is also present in the ordinary Galaxy Watch 7. It offers better performance and energy efficiency. The watch has a 590 mAh battery that, when the power-saving feature is turned off, can last up to 80 hours. To further ensure minimal disruption, the display automatically transitions to a mild night mode during the hours of sleep. The Samsung Bioactive Sensor, Optical Biosignal Sensor, Electrical Heart Signal, and Bioelectrical Impedance Analysis, Temperature Sensor, Accelerometer, Barometer, Gyro Sensor, Geomagnetic Sensor, and Light Sensor are just a few of the many sensors that come with the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. The watch is a perfect partner for triathletes because it can track multi-course sessions. Using the new multi-sport style, users may switch between running, cycling, and swimming with ease. For cycling enthusiasts, the functional threshold power feature provides insightful performance data by measuring maximal riding power, using AI-powered metrics in just 4 minutes. With its revolutionary combination of cutting-edge technology, sophisticated health tracking functions, and durability, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra is poised to revolutionize the wearable technology industry. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an athlete, or someone who appreciates high-end smartwatch functionality, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra is made to meet and beyond your needs. Pre-orders for the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra are now being accepted on Samsung's official website in a few different areas. With its Wi-Fi and 4G LTE connectivity, this cutting-edge smartwatch model makes sure you're always connected. With its powerful capabilities and elegant style, the $649 Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra promises a premium experience. According to a statement from Samsung, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will go on sale in general on July 25, 2024. This allows those who are early adopters to get their hands on their device before it's widely released. Technologically advanced and functionally adaptable, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra is sure to become an indispensable item for both fitness enthusiasts and techies. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day and God bless you.